tell y'all a story right quick about this whole aura shit. Like, just how some crazy things that have happened behind it. Story from the game. I remember one time, bro, we were in Miami or whatever, bro. Like on some regular cool type vibes, dog. Usually niggas be going to Miami for like just to be out on the water and shit, and just to kick it, right? And I've been on plenty of. I had never been on like a real yacht like boat before, bro. That's kind of like way smaller. The boats that I usually been on was like way bigger, dog. Like just huge boats. And we on this like yacht, and as we kind of get on here, bro, like I already kind of know that I ain't feeling the vibe as we kind of pull off because as we walk on, bro, I'm cool. Like we having a good time. It's like some bad joints on here. It's probably like 10 joints on here, bro. That's bad joints, like model type joints. And as we kind of go on, it's like it's a good time kicking it or whatever. But as we pull off, like I feel like my body just starting to feel different. Hey, yo, what's going on, y'all, boys? And welcome back to the Scrolls, man. And today, we got another one, bro. Another banger, dog. Now, on this channel, bro, we talk about confidence a lot, bro. Like almost every video, in some way, we bring it up confidence because it's one of them things when you dealing with women that you can't get past. Until you get that confidence, your luck with these women, bro, will never change. But we never kind of really went over how you can gain confidence, bro, how you can boost yourself up. So we finna give y'all 3 ways that you can kind of boost your confidence up, bro. And you can be one of them guys in her eyes, dog. So make sure y'all like, comment, sub up, and all that other good YouTube shit. By now, y'all already know what to do, man. Hit my music. All right, bro. By now, y'all already know how we rocking over here, man. We ain't finna waste your time doing all the extra talking and all that bullshit. We just jump right on in there. Now, look, when we talking about confidence, bro, this is something that we bring up on this channel all the time. And the reason for that, bro, is not just because if you don't have confidence, you're gonna get women. But if you don't have confidence in yourself, then who will? If you don't have that belief in yourself that you can do what you say you can do, or you can get where you say you can go, then who gonna do that? You got to believe in you, bro. You got to have enough confidence in yourself to be able to do this in life, with women, anywhere, bro. It's kind of one of them things where you ain't going to get around it. And if you do have a false sense of confidence or something like a facade built up, eventually, bro, what I know about these women is she going to figure you out, bro. And she going to pull your card. So my advice, get some real confidence and get some real business about yourself so you know how to put this play together in the right way. And you might ask, how do you do that? Well, we finna get into 3 simple things that will really give you the best confidence that you kind of need in order to get to where you want to go with these women and overall in life, bro. And I remember when I was kind of like a little bit younger, you might not have maybe the confidence that you might feel like you need, bro, because all this shit going on in the world and you don't really know where your place is. What I used to do, bro, at a certain point in time, bro, my pops would give me these affirmations, like to say to yourself, you can do certain things. You are a certain type. You can do whatever, bro. Look up some of your favorite affirmations, bro. Start saying them shits. Hang it on your wall. Put it up on your mirror. Put it in your phone, bro. And I guarantee you say this shit over and over and over and over again, you'll build up enough confidence in yourself to be able to do what you want to do, bro. I remember when I used to be playing ball when I was younger, bro. I used to be in my helmet telling niggas, bro, he can't guard you. He can't guard you, bro. This nigga, we finna kick this nigga. Because I'm giving myself enough confidence because I'm saying these affirmations. I'm doing this shit. I'm building myself up because I'm telling myself that I can do something, even if I might not be able to do it at that moment. And then what happens when you're able to do that shit? Now, that's a part of not only who you are, but in your brain, you know that you can get shit like that done. So my advice, bro, if you was ever down on your luck and you don't know how to build any confidence, bro, start saying them affirmations. Find your favorite affirmations. You can Google that shit, bro. You ain't got to do no corny shit. You ain't got to do no weird shit and do it in front of people. Stand in front of your mirror, bro. When you wake up in the morning, stand in front of your mirror. Say your affirmations. Say what you gonna do. See, the power of the tongue is very powerful, bro. I've learned that shit. The things that you say gonna happen, they do happen. The things that you say not gonna happen, it tends to happen, bro. So speak positively about yourself and to yourself, and you will watch things just kind of fall into place for you because a lot of times, bro, this whole confidence thing is about just believing in yourself and seeing that you can do certain things. So once you see that you can get certain shit done, you'll believe more and more and more and more, bro, and you'll start to expect to win. That's the difference between a winner and a loser, bro. A winner walks out there, bro, expect to win. Everybody else is just happy to be there. Don't be one of the people that's just happy to be there, bro. Say the affirmations that you need. Do what you need, bro, to build that level of confidence up in yourself. You won't just be a person that's in the room. You'll be the winner that's in the room, bro. And when you win, you already know what comes with that. And I guarantee that shit working the best type of way. Now, speaking of working in the best way, bro, one of the best things that you can kind of do for yourself to build confidence up is something that I think we all know, but we don't really do that shit in the ways that we need to until sometimes niggas fall all the way off or to a nigga kind of get desperate, bro. And you don't want to do that, bro. And that comes with your physical appearance, your physical presence, all that shit physically, bro. See, you don't want to be a nigga that done fell off and then you got to try to get it back. So maintaining is a whole lot easier than trying to go through that. So if you find yourself in a situation to where you look in the mirror and you don't like what you see, bro, and you don't have that level of confidence that you used to have, or you don't have a level of confidence that you should have, you can change it, bro. It's up to you. See, those physical transformations, those are something that I can't tell you how much joy you will gain from it, bro. I can't tell you how much just different life experiences that you will have, bro, just by physically transforming into the person that you want to be. Because when you walk in and you really believe that you are you because you look a certain type of way, you work for it and you work to maintain it, bro. It's something that you can't really explain and put in words, dog. It's just something that you need to feel. And if you ever want that level of confidence that you say you want, try that physical transformation. Change yourself into the person that you want to be. That could be any way, bro. That could be get some clothes that you say you gonna get. Or that could be going to the gym like you say you gonna go. Or that could be getting that haircut that you say, I'm gonna get a consistent haircut and make sure my shit crispy as hell. Do what you need to do so you believe in you. Because when you dealing with these women out here, bro, they can smell it on you when you don't got that confidence. They can feel it. And they'll drag your ass so far down the street. By the time you look up, nigga, you been out went 10 miles. You be like, damn, I should have just stopped this shit at day one. But having that confidence in yourself will put you in a position where you don't have to endure that, bro. Because nobody needs to do shit like that. Nobody needs to get drugged like that, bro. You got to stand up for you. And having that confidence in you is the only way to really do it. That kind of leads me into the third point I want to kind of get into, bro. And it's something that I've noticed, dog, that other people noticed on you. Something that, well, you don't have to say anything about. It's just like, it's like sauce, bro. It's just dripping all off you. Pause. It's one of them things that other people can see on you. And it's an aura, bro. Creating yourself a strong aura. And it don't have to be a strong, loud aura. It can be strong, silent. To where you walk in the room and you have a physical presence that's like, the joints is like, shit, who is that? The women is like, oh, what he got going on? They just intrigued by you because you got a strong aura of that you, bro. That you a person that is not like other people that she might have met. You a person that's not like other people that she might have been around, bro. See, having a strong aura is not about really talking about it or having to do so much, dress all flashy and do all this crazy shit. A lot of the times, that shit is just about having a presence and being yourself and being able to move a certain type of way, do things a certain type of way. Bro, women pick up on everything, bro. They'll pick up on how you just move and how you just cool. And they'll rock with you harder than you ever even thought. You don't really have to say much because what I learned about women is she already know if she gonna fuck with you before you even really say anything. It's just you talking yourself out the pussy. A lot of the times that's really fucking you up. But she already know if she gonna fuck with you anyway. And that comes from having a strong aura, bro. Having that strong presence about yourself. And I've learned that shit more than anybody, bro. Like, on some real shit. Because me having a strong aura, that got me places with women that I never thought I'd be, bro. Never thought I'd be. Places, rooms, all type of shit where I never thought I'd be in because I have a strong aura and I was able to do certain shit. To be honest, if you're doing the right shit, bro, building up your confidence to the right place with your physical appearance and everything else you need to do, bro, you can pull that same shit off too. Shit, let me tell y'all a story right quick about this whole aura shit. Just how there's some crazy things that are happening behind it. Stories from the game. I remember one time, bro, we were in Miami or whatever, bro, on some regular cool type vibes. Usually niggas be going to Miami just to be out in the water and shit and, you know, just to kick it, right? And I've been on plenty of boats before, but I had never been on a real yacht boat before, bro. The boats that I usually been on was way bigger, dog. Just huge boats. And we on this like yacht and shit. And as we kind of get on here, bro, I already kind of know that I ain't feeling the vibe as we kind of pull off, because as we walk on, bro, I'm cool. We having a good time. It's like some bad joints on here. It's probably 10 joints on here, bro. That's bad joints, model type joints. And as we kind of go on, it's a good time, kicking it or whatever. But as we pull off, feel like my body just starting to feel different, bro. Different, dog. And I'm feeling crazy, dog. Crazy. And I feel that I'm starting to get seasick, because I guess the waves and all that shit was just fucking me up, bro. It just had me fucked up. So I went from when I walked in the boat or whatever, we was kicking it with these little joints and all that shit, just talking and all that. And it wasn't no deep conversation. It was probably like, little light conversation. Niggas really like kind of listening to music, just talking to whatever was going on right there. She told me her name and all that shit. And I disappeared, bro. I disappeared for like 20, 30 minutes, bro. Easily. I don't want to be that nigga, man. Like, big ass nigga out here throwing up and shit, looking like a little bitch. Like, I'm trying not to do that shit, bro. So I'm like at the little part of the boat where it's like a kitchen, like kind of like a bar kitchen type little shit. And I'm kind of sitting by myself, really just trying not to be fucked up. And I'm just by myself, bro. Like, I'm off to the side. Everybody else having a good time. They doing whatever they do. You know how I go, bro. Having a great time, bro. And, my partners and shit, they check on me every now and again, bro. But after a while, I see like the joint that I talked to when I first got in there. I talked to her a few minutes, and I see her come around the corner, and it's like she was looking for somebody. And she come around the corner, she's like, I've been looking for you. I was like, shit, you ain't been looking for me, shit. I've been sitting here the whole time now, not to throw up and shit. And she started laughing. She was like, you finna throw up? She thought that shit was so funny, and she started laughing over that. And she kind of gave me this little drink and all this shit, and she did a few other little things, bro. And as we sit there having a little conversation, I'm fucked up, bro. All I can think of is don't throw up. Don't throw up, bro. Don't throw up. That's all I can think of, bro, because, nigga, you know how you feel that shit, this pause right there in your throat, pause, bro. I feel like I was finna throw up, bro. And I'm fucked up, and I'm just really trying to I'm just really trying not to look like a dumbass in front of this joint that's probably one of the baddest joints that niggas have ever seen. But I'm talking to her or whatever, and we can't really kind of like get no real deep conversation because I'm fucked up, bro. So she really just kind of trying to help me be straight. And after about 10 minutes or whatever, it ain't really a whole lot of talking going on, bro. Like, to be honest, I ain't doing a whole lot of talking. To be honest, I'm really in my head just trying not to throw up, bro. Dead ass. I ain't really say too much. But after a while, she asked me, she was like, shit, you might want to lay down. You'll be all right. Lay down and shit. And it's a room downstairs. And I'm like, well, all right. Well, shit, cool. And I'm thinking that I'm just finna go down here, I'm finna go down here kick by myself. So I go down to the little joint, and she come behind me. She come with me. I'm like, okay, well, shit. But I go in the little room, kind of lay down and all that shit, and I'm kind of just kicking it, and we kind of talking whatever for a little while and all that shit, and boom, it pop off. It go down, bro. So boom, it go down. But after this shit happened, right, I'm talking to her, and I'm asking her, how you know that you was just gonna fuck with me like that? She told me that basically she already knew from the time that I hit the boat that she was already gonna fuck with me. When I wasn't like in the crowd in the mix doing all that extra shit, it kind of just presented itself as like an opportunity and shit. It went where it was supposed to go. So I tell y'all that to tell you this, bro. A lot of the time when you have a certain aura or a certain presence about yourself, you don't got to do a whole lot. You ain't got to say a whole lot. Shit happened how it was supposed to happen, bro, because she had already chose off before niggas had already did anything, bro, from niggas just walked on the boat. And yeah, niggas had the shirt off and all that shit, but she had already made up in her mind that she wanted to fuck with a nigga as I kind of walked in the door. And I think that's what that whole aura shit is about, bro. And being in those type of situations will kind of let you know that if you do certain shit or a certain type of way, if you move a certain type of way, if you look a certain type of way, if you got that kind of presence about yourself, you'll be surprised what these joints do, because shit, the baddest of the bad, and just want to have fun, my boy. So hey, y'all take them 3, bro, and y'all put them in y'all bag. Talk them affirmations, bro. Speak positively about yourself. Make sure that you know the power of the tongue is huge, dog. Real huge. Number 2, get your physical presence together. Be in there to where you walk in and you got the confidence to know that you. Do whatever you got to do, whether that be any of them things we talked about. Haircuts, clothes, anything, bro. Get your ass in the gym if you need to. But make sure you got that physical presence that you want when you walk in the door. And last but not least, number 3, having that strong aura, bro. Create that strong aura and watch things starting to happen around you, dog. Because one thing that I've learned about having that shit is you can't fake it. And when you hit the door, They always peep it for whatever reason. So, hey, y'all put them 3 in y'all bag, and y'all let me know how them work. Make sure y'all like, comment, sub up, and all the other good YouTube shit. Until next time, y'all know what it is, bro. It's the Scrolls.